What's up, YouTube? This is Dave from Apple Unlimited. Today I got the brand new iPhone XS Plus. Nope, XS Max. I still can't get used to saying that. I have never had an iPhone on launch day before until today. Normally I get it like around a month after it's new. But today I went and stood in line, and they make you pick a time slot when you wait in line to make it fair. I picked 12:30 to 1, and I was supposed to be off today. My boss is like, "Oh, we got a funeral, you gotta do it, run the audio for it." I was like, "Oh crap, I guess I can do that," and then run straight there. That'll work, I guess, you know. And then I sold like a big piece of audio gear for a lot of money, and the guy was coming from Tennessee, a different state. He's like, "I can only come right after the funeral." So I was like, "Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. Like, I'm not gonna make it in time." Luckily, the funeral ended early. Called the guy. He came early. He was very flexible time-wise, which was awesome. I made it there. The parking lot, I was like, "Oh my god, this parking lot is crazy." I went around probably 5 times before I realized I wasn't even going anywhere, just in circles. I thought I was going up, but I wasn't. So anyway, found a parking spot. I got there about 2 minutes until 1, and the guy was like, "Oh man, you almost missed it," which I'm sure wouldn't have mattered, but still, anyway, whatever. I got it, and here it is. Here it is. I'm going to unbox it for you. I can't wait to open it. It's a 256 gig model. It is the iPhone XS Max. And every time I hear Max, I think of, the Grinch and his dog Max, Maximilian. I also think of XS, Access, XS, or 10S, like tennis, you know. So the name is kind of stupid, I think. Although you can say the iPhone Max, and XS is just understood, which is probably what I'll do. I'll call it the iPhone Max. But I think it should have been called the iPhone Pro. That would have been cool. I don't know why they didn't do that. They got the iMac Pro, iPad Pro, and the iPhone Max. I also kind of think of a maxi pad when I hear Max, like maxi pad, like tampon, you know. So you're welcome for that. Next time next time you're talking on one, think of it as a big maxi pad, okay? All right. Anyway, here we go. iPhone Max. There we go. Launch date is September 21st, 2018. You know how satisfying that is right there. There it is. I went to the store and I didn't want to look at one. Wow, that's awesome. I wanted this to be the first one I saw. And the guy I worked with was like, "Hey, let's look at this." And I was like, "No," but it looks awesome. It is the same size as the 8 Plus, which is what I have currently, which is what I'm filming on right now, except for it's all screen, except for the notch. I've never had a notch before. So new. Never had a notch before. I've never had Face ID before. Luckily this is 2nd generation, so it's going to be working a lot better. Wow, that's awesome. Very cool. No more fingerprint, which is weird. I'm so used to doing that. I've had a fingerprint, or at least the home button, since the 4. My first iPhone was iPhone 4. Yeah, very cool. There it is. I don't really know how to... Is it off right now? Yep. Here it comes. Here it comes. And of course it comes with power brick, which nobody cares about. You'll have 1,000 of those things. The usuals, the headphones, which are... Yeah, of course. I got this the other day too. I want to show you real quick while we're here. Sorry, let me find it real fast. I got this the other day. This is a $4 fake iPhone X. Got this the other day. So just to compare the two, fake versus the real. It looks pretty real for being $4, except for the front. Okay. Alright. So here we go, setting it up. This is exciting. Look at it. You see it? It is full screen. That's the Max for you. And I was afraid it was going to be too giant. That's my main concern. I was like, it's going to be like out to here and like not going to fit in my pocket and all that. But no, this is perfect. This is actually just the size that I wanted, believe it or not. Because I did buy the 10. I took it back 4 days later because it was way too small. And I was like, man, I want the 10 because it's cool, but I can't deal with the smallness. It's just too small for me. So this is what I wanted when the 10 came out. This is awesome. This is perfect. So let's see. I'll set it up later. What else? The watches. Of course I wanted to watch, but this costs so much money. I'll have to get the watch later on. Also, I didn't really know the difference between the Nike watch and the regular watch. I had a few ideas of what I thought was different about it, but I wasn't like 100% sure. So I talked to the guy there, and he explained a few things. So I am going to get the Nike watch. I think it's going to be coming out like a month later than the ones that are out now. So I can wait. That's fine. I can't update my first watch because this is the first one, and it won't let me put OS 5 on it. So once I get the Nike watch, I can have OS 5 with it. And I'm really excited about running again. I'll use it for running the ECG, is that right? Meter is going to be really cool. I'm excited about that. I'm excited about the spec bump from the first one to the fourth one. But the size is what I was getting at. I got sidetracked a little bit. The size is what I was getting at. You know, now the Watch 4 is 40 millimeters and 44 millimeters. And I was worried that was going to be like giant. Also, I thought it'd be like out to here, just way too big for my wrist. But it wasn't. I held it up to this one, and you really couldn't even tell the difference between the two, honestly. Side by side, I couldn't even tell. But of course, the screen is 30% bigger. That's the bigger part of it. So now I know I'm going to get Nike 44 when it comes out in a month, or after a month, whenever I can. So that's cool. So I am excited about that. Look for a iPhone 8 versus Max comparison video of the camera, which is what I'm excited about doing. When we find somewhere tomorrow, hopefully, and film some footage for you so you can see the difference of the two. This camera's supposed to be better, and I'm sure it is because it gets better every time. So I can't wait to. That's my favorite part of it, is the camera. So cool. Thanks for watching. This is Dave from Apple Unlimited, and we will see you soon.